USB drive is not showing up.
In today's video, we are going to talk about your pen drive that stopped working or stopped showing up in your computer. But before we come to the instructions, we are going to talk about the causes that may have done that. You should avoid of all costs. Take off your pen drive in a forced way. If you are transferring something to your pen drive or taking something off your pen drive and putting the computer, be aware you can't take off your pen drive in a forced way. The safe way to do that, you have to go to my computer and go to your pen drive and click on the right button in it and click eject. Doing that will guarantee your pen drive will come off of your computer in a safe way and your files won't be lost. Now let's go back to the case where your pen drive isn't showing up anymore in your computer and you don't know what to do because you put the pen drive in your computer and doesn't show up. It's like your pen drive isn't there, but it is, and I'm gonna show you how. So first of all, you're gonna go back to this screen again and click in this computer, this PC or something like that with the right button and go to the properties. Then in the right side, we're going to go to the device manager. Click on it, we'll open that screen right here. With that screen right here, what we are going to do is click on view. When we do that, we are going to click on show hidden device. Then we are going to go to the place where the pen drives usually are there. It is in the disk drives. So you're going to press to show and all the icons that it will be with the icon a bit vanished. It means that it's hidden. So we are going trying to find the pen drive. Usually the name of the pen drive, it's named the generic flash disk USB device, like that one right here. Then you're gonna click with the right button and click on install device. When you do that, you're gonna take off your pen drive of the computer and put it again. The computer itself will install the pen drive again and you will go back to work. So this is the first method. If the first method worked for you, please leave a comment below, leave a like, and let's go to the second method. The second method to do if your pen drive isn't working or showing up in your computer is go to the left side of the computer and go to the disk management. When you do that and the screen show up, you're gonna have to look for your pen drive in the left way right here. So we have the pen drive right here. It will be like removable and the amount of space that is used. So for that to show up and go back to work, you have to click on the right button and go to change drive letter and paths. You have to press it here. You're gonna open that screen and you're gonna go to change. Doing that, you're gonna go to assign the following drive letter. You're gonna choose another letter, press OK. In that way, your pen drive will go back to work and you can use your pen drive in every way you can possibly imagine. If the second method worked for you, please leave a comment below, leave your like. If it did not work, please leave your comment as well, saying that this doesn't work for you. And stay tuned because I'm gonna do a part 2 of this video with more methods for you guys, and I hope to see you guys there.